Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Alcove Mortgage account. Go to your Chrome or Edge browser and go to google.com. In the Google search bar, search for Alcove Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you directly to the login page where you can enter your email address and your password, and after you hit sign in, you will be signed in to your Alcove Mortgage account. If you are having problems in signing in, click on trouble signing in, which is right here. It will ask an email with which you registered your Alcove Mortgage. Write down your email and click on send link. After you do so, a verification code will be sent to your mail or a verify mail will be sent, and then click on it and you can easily reset your password or change your email address. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.